To my most interesting session, that's the rapid fire, right? One word. Today's kids are
Street smart.
confidence or English fluency. What matters the most?
Confidence.
One habit that builds confident kids instantly.
Your words.
One mistake parents make while teaching English.
They go by the dictionary and grammar book. That's not gonna happen.
Strict parents or friendly parents.
I think balance of both. For routine, strict. Then of course have a gala time with your kids.
One sentence parents should stop saying immediately.
ये तो बहुत shy है.
One sentence parents should start saying daily.
You are a star.
Lovely. Shy child or labeled shy child. What's the truth?
I think it's labeling.
Reward or punishment? What works better?
Depending on the situation, I would say. Sometimes reward. If rewards are not working, then punishment.
One label that damages kids the most.
तेरे से नहीं होगा.
Oh, so true.
है ना? हम
So
बोल
true.
देते हैं नहीं होगा
बेस ही
मैं
ला
कर
दो.
देती हूँ. हाँ बेस ही ला दो. तेरे से नहीं होगा मैं कर देती हूँ.
One NLP trick every parent should know.
I think they should know how to load images in their child's brain. What kind of images should be loaded in their child's brain?
Acha. Then we all should go for an NLP session.
Yes.
Confidence is built at school or home.
I think at home it's really important. But then it matters how teachers are treating kids in school. अगर teacher थोड़ा negative words use कर रही है, so that can also bring down the morale of the child.
So be 60-40.
हाँ ऐसे कर सकते हैं at home because that's the environment that they are getting. फिर teachers कुछ भी बोलें फर्क नहीं पड़ता ना. So अगर हम वैसा environment घर पे दें तो.
What matters more, tone or the words?
Both. Both.
One thing parents do that lowers confidence unknowingly.
I think it's very similar to what I said कि you know in protecting the child we just simply say कि मैं you know don't do it ये dangerous है ये मत करो ऐसे मत करो glass मत उठाओ ये मत करो. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें reflex में भी हम कर जाते हैं and that just make them overly dependent on us.
Sugar, harmless treat or hidden danger?
If it is restricted then it's fine. But if it is like rosy इतना मीठा I तो don't even give sugar to my daughter in milk.
अच्छा, nice.
Plain milk. शुरू से आदत ही वैसी
Good,
डाली है.
good. हाँ.
तो हैबिट ही वैसी है तो
बिल्कुल
कभी
सही
उसने
बात.
मांगी ही नहीं.
हाँ,
उसको
हाँ.
दूध ही
उसको
मीठा
पता ही नहीं,
लगता है.
उसको पता है कि flavor
पता ही
ऐसा ही होता है दूध का.
दूध तो ऐसे ही पीते हैं.
Yes.
So
I also do that for my
to.
sons.
I give it in summers when they come back home तो शिकंजवी ज़रूर मैं देती हूँ तो उसमें मीठा थोड़ा सा जाता है बट वो भी डेली कभी रिप्लेस कर देती हूँ कोकोनट वाटर से. तो आई थिंक दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट कि हम कितना शुगर इनटेक दे रहे हैं हमें ही पता है उसका कितना नुकसान है. हमने अपनी बॉडी में देखा है. नाउ तो आई फील कि वीट में कितना शुगर है कम खाओ वीट कम खाओ. सो आई एम वेरी रिस्ट्रिक्टेड उस चीज़ का ध्यान रखते हैं.